Why is Keith Edwards warning about a major scandal with it? Keith Edwards has gained attention recently for his deep dives into political controversies and insider leaks. He analyzes complex political dynamics, especially those involving the Democratic National Committee, or DNC. His warnings often stem from sources close to party operations, which is why his latest alert about a brewing scandal has caught so many eyes. It's not just speculation. He claims to have credible information about internal conflicts and possible misconduct that could impact the party's reputation. According to Edwards, the scandal centers around alleged financial mismanagement within the DNC. This includes questionable spending and possible diversion of campaign funds. Beyond money, there's talk of factional infighting, where different groups inside the party are battling for control and influence. These internal disputes could weaken the DNC's unity and damage public trust, especially with upcoming elections looming. If true, such revelations would be explosive and could prompt investigations or leadership shakeups. Edwards warns about this scandal now because the party is entering a crucial phase. With midterm and presidential election cycles approaching, any internal scandal could severely undermine the DNC's efforts. Political opponents are watching closely, and media attention is intense. The timing suggests that those leaking information might want to force reforms or disrupt the current leadership's plans. This could be a strategic move within the party or from whistleblowers concerned about transparency. If Edwards' warnings come true, the fallout could be significant. The DNC might face investigations, leadership resignations, or public backlash. Such turmoil could energize opposition parties and sway undecided voters. The scandal might also trigger calls for greater accountability and reform within the Democratic Party. For voters and political insiders alike, this could be a turning point that changes how the DNC operates and positions itself for future elections. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.